Hey family, great to see you again. Very excited about the year. Got a big night tonight. Of course, it's the draw for Copa Libertadores. You see that I've got my friends here, not only at the press conference down in Brazil, but at the offices of Botafogo. So this arrived today. Very excited about it. The team from Botafogo brought it up and unpacked it for me. So now one of the trophies from our great championship campaign will have a permanent home here at Eagle Football. This fine young man, actually most of the time he sits behind my desk in my office, but in light of the arrival of our great trophy, we thought we'd move him up to the front of Eagle Football. Anyway, the preseason is almost coming to an end. March 29th, of course, we have a great game down in Sao Paulo against Palmeiras. Great competitor, of course. Great challenge just to open up the new season. I'm excited about the season. Coach Renato has been doing a great job. He brings together some of the greatest ideas and practices that we've seen shared by our prior coaches. Those coaches, successful coaches that have helped us build the platform that we hand over to Coach Renato today. So the team's ready, he's getting ready, and tonight we got the draw for Copa Libertadores. We are in Group A, Pot 1. We're going to be playing teams from all over South America, which is what you asked for when we created the SAF, to bring a competitive team, to challenge everybody across South America, to become globally known, globally relevant. Obviously, we achieved that with our great success last year. The whole world is watching Botafogo this year, and they want to know what we're going to do next. I can tell you we're ready, we're excited, and looking forward to the year. So let's have some fun.